I have literally just walked out the grocery store. Have you all noticed cashiers are disappearing fast? Retail stores are rolling out more new automation technology every single month. Today, we are looking at 5 new retail automation technologies rolling out right now and what they mean for your everyday shopping experience. Technology number 1, AI palm recognition at checkout. Stores are moving past credit cards and phone taps. New checkout scanners now read the palm of your hand or scan your face to complete a purchase in seconds. You do not need your wallet. You do not need your phone. Your biometric data becomes your credit card. Major grocery chains and convenience stores are testing this right now. While it speeds up the line, it raises huge questions about privacy, data security, and how much personal information stores should hold. Are you concerned about your privacy as much as I am? If so, please share this video and hit that subscribe button right now, because this is just the beginning of this type of information. Next, smart carts with built-in scanners. Instead of standing in line at all, actually, you grab a high-tech shopping cart when you walk in. These carts have screen displays, built-in scales, and cameras that recognize every item you drop inside your cart as you walk through the aisles. The cart tallies your running total in real time. And then when you are finished shopping, you simply walk out through a special lane. Your saved payment method is charged automatically. No cashier, no conveyor belt, no waiting for the person in front of you that's in line. And I actually break down this complete system behind these smart shopping carts, and I will link that video right at the end of this one so you can watch it next. But technology number 3, computer vision overhead cameras. This is called just walk out tech. High definition cameras and weight sensors are placed all over the ceilings, the shelves. The system literally tracks what you pick up and what you put back. So if you put it back where it don't belong, they see that too. It creates a virtual shopping cart for you, okay, as you're walking through the store. When you grab your items and walk out the door, sensors scan your phone or card, and they bill you instantly. There are no registers. There are no barcode scanners. The entire store becomes one huge automated machine. Now, before we move on to the next one, if you are enjoying this breakdown, please hit that subscribe button and share the video with everyone you know. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it. Now, technology number 4, automated inventory floor robots. Now, you may have already seen these tall towers, just gliding up and down the aisles in the store. They are not there to clean the spills. They use lasers and cameras to scan every shelf. They check for out-of-stock items, incorrect tags, and misplaced inventory. They send data instantly to stockroom employees, okay, or directly to automated recording systems. This cuts down store staff and moves retail one step closer to fully unmanned locations. Then there's AI security and loss prevention kiosks. Self-checkouts have always had a high rate of accidental scanning errors and theft. Stores are replacing simple scanners with advanced AI cameras overhead. These cameras can tell if you scan an apple instead of steak. They can detect if an item was skipped or if a bag was placed without scanning. If the AI detects a mistake, The screen pauses immediately, replays the video clip to you, and alerts a floor monitor. It reduces the need for security guards, putting machines in charge of store safety. And here's a bonus trend everyone needs to watch. This shift towards micro fulfillment centers behind the store. Many local stores are converting back rooms into robotic hubs. Robots pick and pack online grocery orders in minutes, cutting human workers out of fulfillment process entirely. Retail's changing faster than ever. Now, are these technologies making life easier, or are we losing something important as cashiers disappear?